Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download money games but free. Okay, but please follow and like, please. I want to get followers and make more videos, please. Okay, first you put sorry. Tong BU. Okay, wait, it's in it's Chinese. You press on it. But you have, but there is a little English language in it, so you will understand. Just wait a second. You download this, the Apple one, the blue one, HD. I downloaded it, so you press on it. You wait a little bit. You put install, but I installed it, so I put cancel, and you put install. And then when it finishes, this is the Tong BU. Okay, let me show you. Here you can do whatever you want. You can get wallpapers, download wallpapers, and you can search games. Yeah, and you let's say Gangster Rio. Press on it, download. Wait a little bit. Go downloading. See, this is it, and they will show you down how much space you have. Okay, but be careful when you want to install something. Just keep the iPad or iPhone or whatever you're using. Keep it on the tongue view and just turn it off. Turn the iPad off if you want to. If you want that something to download. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe and like, and I wish that you like this video. Thanks.